important common query: should I focus more on theory concepts or solve MCQs? Now definitely, unless and until you do theory concepts, there is no point solving MCQs. So go to a good standardized book, read that carefully, build up your concepts, have extensive knowledge about the subject, and then only start solving the MCQ. That is the first thing. Now, the second important thing that I am coming is solving MCQ is equally important. Why? Specifically because of two reasons. One is it helps you understand whether you are able to do it in a given time. So it is time bound. That means when you are in your examination hall under pressure, are you able to solve those 100 or 50 questions in the allotted time period? And therefore, solving MCQs give you practice, give you speed. The second important reason for solving MCQs is when you are solving MCQs, sometimes there are phrases like not, except. So those things you simply are not familiar with if you are not solving the MCQs. But if you have given a lot of MCQs or you have attempted a lot of MCQs, then you are making it sure that by all means you would be able to solve it. You would be able to do those kinds of questions. So first thing in mind, build your concepts. Only after you have good concepts, start solving your MCQs. So first read the theory, then start with MCQs. While you are reading the theory, if you are having somewhere issues, try to understand those. Those could be through your video lectures or through the mentoring, however you try to resolve it. But resolve those doubts at the same point where you are studying them, and that's the best way to have good command over the concept. Once you have a good command over your concepts, solving MCQ definitely becomes easier. Another important thing is if you solve MCQs after you have command over your subject, those won't come as a burden to you because you would be solving them with very good ease. Otherwise, you would feel that these are very difficult and you would be even afraid of studying the theory concepts. So that's another reason we say first go for theory and then only solve the MCQs.